how to convert Facebook profile to a Facebook page. It's an easy process, so let's start. So hello everybody, SA Absent here, and today I'll show you how to make a Facebook profile to page. So that just open your Facebook app and don't forget to update your app from your Play Store or App Store. This is same as Android and iPhone. So after come to this page, just click to the profile and then come to the profile. Here you can see this is a Facebook. As you can see, this is a Facebook profile. So if we want to make this account page into page, then click to the three dot menu and then click to the turn on professional mode. Remember, this is the only way that you can make your Facebook profile to Facebook page. And then click to the turn on options and wait a second and then come back and just refresh your page, and then you can see details, digital creator, and everything you can see. So if you want to check it out, then click to the view as options, and then you can see this is now a Facebook page. So that's the process I can make a Facebook profile to a page. So hope this helps you. If this helps you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel for more informative videos.